Hello everybody, so today I want to talk about calculus. The topic today is about limit. So now I want to show you how to answer. We have the formula in here. That is about a minus b multiplied by a plus b equals to a squared minus b squared. So this one, that is about a minus b. We want to create about a square minus b square. So we need to multiply by a plus b on numerator and denominator. The reason I need to create this one because we want to cancel the square root. Later that we can create about the factor. So this one, we have x plus 2 minus 3 to the power of 2. The power 2 with the square root, we have this one. This one, we have negative number 7. And now we need to simplify on numerator and denominator. And now I can put number 7 cone here. So we calculate this one and we have 1 over 6. This is the end. Thank you for watching.